What we got here, man?
Yes, sir.
Man, this thing here look like you can eat off of it, man.
Yes, sir.
God, dog. Man, this sucker nice, bro.
Appreciate
What you got right?
You too. It's your boy Tone coming back at y'all, man. With Chevys R Us, coming back with another great hit. Y'all already know what time it is. I'm with my man Mike. Say what's up, Mike.
Yo, what's going on?
Y'all know what time.
YouTube.
That's it. You too. First mile towing, Duluth, Georgia, baby. And yeah, I'm gonna throw it up there in the screen so y'all can see it. Gonna get ready to head out here to Summit, pick up a couple of parts. You know what I'm saying? Know what time it is. Got my man Mike, got his SS Monte Carlo race ready. Y'all know what time it is. My man building a monster race car. Monster.
316
Yeah, it's a beast, y'all. It's a beast, YouTube. Y'all ain't seen it yet, but man, that thing licking, boy. I'm there.
It's coming to Chevys R Us.
Hey,
Yeah, Tone about to put a touch to it.
hey, man. The thing is a monster, man. It's a monster. It's a beast, YouTube. I ain't even gonna tell y'all no story. But yeah, we finna get ready to head down here and pick up a couple parts. And yeah, we'll be back with y'all in a minute, YouTube. Summit Racing. We on our way. Back in a minute. Later. Alright, there, YouTube. We made it.
We made it.
Finally made it. Finna get ready to go up here in Summit Racing. See what's going on. So we'll get back with y'all in just a minute. Soon we get in, YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah. See what's going on up in here. Okay. Up in here, YouTube. Got everything. Man's playground. See it. Go over here. Get in line. See what's going on. Alright, YouTube. Picking up the parts. Good stuff. Okay. That's it. Got the part. That's it. We'll be back in a minute.
YouTube. Y'all ain't gonna believe it, man. Hey, y'all see what it is, man. Hey, I'm with my brother, Mark. Say what's up, man.
What's up, YouTube?
That's it, man. What we got here, man?
Yes, sir.
Man, this thing here look like you can eat off of it, man. Dog. Man, this sucker nice, bro. What you got right there, man?
It's a 388 Stroker.
383?
388.
388, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Man, this thing here nice, bro. Man, y'all see that, YouTube? 1960, 1970. Man, this thing is phenomenal, bro. Yeah, how long you had it?
10 years.
About 10. Hey, YouTube, I just want to show y'all, man, what a little bit of patience, what a lot of prayer, and a lot of money will do for you, YouTube. Y'all see it? Man, y'all see that?
A lot of hands-on work too, man, bro.
Yeah,
A
a lot of sweat, effort. Hey, man, this thing nice, beautiful car.
You don't mind starting out for YouTube?
You mind cranking it?
Yeah.
All right, YouTube, we get them to crank it, fired up. Man.
Probably cold right now.
Oh yeah, absolutely. I know it's gonna be cold. But man, that thing clean, man. You did a lot of that yourself too, didn't you?
Yeah, I did most of it myself.
Okay.
Yeah, take the inside out, YouTube.
Yeah. Oh wow. Now that's just golly, bro.
Yeah, man.
Man, that thing is super nice.
It comes with a light, right there.
Yeah, y'all see the trunk, man. Oh, look clean up in here, bro. I don't see it, YouTube. They want to show y'all the trunk. Look at that, man. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about, YouTube. Chevys R Us, man. Chevys R Us.
I got to watch this bad bitch now, man.
It's already, look clean already.
She dirty, man. Super dirty. Oh yeah, I know we clean this. Super. I can see the dirt on it.
Yeah.
Man, what's up, man? I told you, man.
Yeah, look at that thing. Let me get here in the front. Oh, look at that, YouTube. Man, it smell like new leather in here, man. Y'all see that? Y'all see what that say right there, Chevelle? Y'all can't mess with it. What that shirt say? Elder Block Racing.
What about racing?
Y'all see the hat?
Hey.
Chevrolet heartbeat of America, baby.
Yeah, man.
Chevy tire. This Chevys R Us. All right, let's see what this thing sound like, baby.
Behind the wheel.
Just a little bit. Hey. Yes, sir. All right, YouTube. Hey, man, y'all get it up one more time. All right, YouTube. That's it. We'll be back in a minute. Later.